Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the settings on our phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the settings. In settings, find the option called connected devices and tap on it. And here you should see the list of other devices or devices connected. And on this list, you should see your ASUS VivoWatch BP. Tap on it, then tap on the Forget option, and then tap on Forget Device to remove it. Sometimes you will see settings icon next to the device. As you can see right here, you can tap on the settings icon and then tap on Forget. So if you can't tap on the item to open the menu, simply tap on the settings icon and then tap on the Forget and tap Forget again. And once you disconnect the watch, you forget it, at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.